Hey y'all, welcome to Mrs. Lynn's Cooking. Today we're going to make copycat Alice spring chicken. We're going to need honey mustard, which I'll post later, showing you how to make it. We have grilled chicken breast, tops of your scallion onions, bacon, and Colby Jack cheese. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our honey mustard and we're going to put some here on our chicken breast and put a pretty decent layer on there. And once we do that, I'm going to spread it out a little bit so it's even all over that chicken. And then we're going to take and we're going to put bacon on top of that. Take our bacon, and we're going to put a couple of bacon strips on each one. And after that, we're going to take and we're going to put our Colby Jack cheese over the top of this. And then we're going to put this, I'm going to put it in the toaster oven, and I'm going to put it in there until all this cheese has melted. And once the cheese is melted, your chicken breasts are done. Okay, we have melted our cheese over our chicken breast with our bacon. Now you're going to take your scallions and you're going to sprinkle them over the top. And you have Alice spring chicken. I hope you like my recipe. Please like and subscribe.